excited about being in Charleston, South Carolina. We sell a lot of pole barns all over the country. Our steel trusses are going nationwide. If you're looking to put up a pole barn or a steel truss, give me a call at 828-413-4201 or visit me at stroudsbuildingsupply.com. Like I said, we're setting up dealers also all over the nation. So if you're looking for being a dealer, you can make money on the trusses, you can make money on the pole barn kits. We're setting people up right now with building supplies. If you're an entrepreneur or a contractor that's heading into building, give me a call. It's a small investment, and man, it's got great returns. This is a big trend that's going across our nation. It's an affordable system, it's an easy system, and it's simple to put together. They're engineered, so man, we've got everything going on here. You can figure about $450 a square foot for the whole roof kit. You can figure about $750 a square foot for everything like a box on the ground, including the insulation for the roof and the walls. Now the trusses, we make up to 60-foot clear span, and I'm telling you what, this is a great system. 2-inch angled steel. Man, they're agricultural trusses that you can use in any kind of application. Everything that we've got is painted black, and then we do custom colors also. But give me a call if you're looking to put up a pole barn or a garage or a carport, pavilion, riding rink. We can do anything that you want to do. So call me at Mike Stroud, or visit me at MikeStroud@live.com or StroudsBuildingSupply.com, or call me at 828-413-4201. God bless you.